as you can see, I have one more personality adding feathers everywhere. I mean, it's commendable to talk about Aryan because Aryan is the man behind the phenomenal concept of this conference, which is held in Dubai. So I think, Aryan, it's a time for you to elaborate more apart from AI. What exactly made you think about it?
It's a natural progression of things. AI has so much value to bring to every single industry. Whatever type of business it is, there's so many applications. And in this conference, we talk about so many of them. Be it healthcare, banking, sales automation, and so many. And it's my humble request to whoever is listening, spread the word about artificial intelligence. It's something that we can build today. It's not something that we big companies have access to. We can build things for you, for your company, and others. And these are the kinds of topics we explore at Aicc Dubai. I'd like to thank our guests, others, our speakers, everyone who came and attended this event at this space. And I want to start a culture where everyone comes together, jointly builds AI and uses it for the betterment of human society, the betterment of companies, the betterment of work cultures, and so many applications. We would like to connect and collaborate.
Thank you so much. You've said it everything in one way. But I just want to ask you one more thing. When more of the youth is towards the AI as far as I know, and I've seen that they are driving into it. So do you see apart from that when they want to go into something else, or they just want to go into something else or stepping stones into it? What is the awareness do you use?
I want, at a personal level, everyone realize that you can use AI for their life. They should not be scared by it. But it's like a calculator that everyone has now, use it to do more advanced math. Which means they can use it to do better at their way. And in whatever line of business you are, I can tell you that you can build AI products to serve your customers better, to take care of your staff, and there are so many things which are to be built in this space. It's nothing to be scared of. Also, as you say, when you're adopting it, it is that whenever a product is better than the previous generation by a factor of 40%, people automatically switch. Like for example, like the older generations of social media, Instagram is much better because it just knows what you want to watch. So it's why huge factor is better than the previous generations of just text-based. So that's why people should do it. And that's the same thing. You want to build products and verticals in different industries using this new technology of AI, where we're able to put all sorts of things that of logic, of ridiculous things that our minds are capable of, machines can do that. And with that comes the ability to make things easier, bring more features, and that is something that I want to see like everything and every organization and company introduce every day.
Thank you so much. It's always good to you. As you can see that Aryan have already expanded the things and you have explained it in a very beautiful way. I think all the youth have understood that what exactly is AI is all about. It's not only about that explaining digital marketing or explaining to something which is always on the Instagram or LinkedIn, but it's also related to many factors which you can adapt it in future as well. So thank you once again.